Hello, and welcome to all of you. Hope that all of you are well and having a good time. I'm also well by the grace of Almighty God. My name is Porosh. I'm a student as well as an English learner. So now I'm at Sheikh Russell Nagar Park, and this is the very place where I come randomly, and I have made so many videos already here. So I feel good when I come here. And today is a Friday, so happy weekend to all of you. My exam is going on, so that's why last 1 week I couldn't practice my spoken English that much. So that's why, yes, last night I thought it would be better for me if I go Sheikh Russell Nagar Park next morning and try to make some videos and try to practice my spoken English. Okay, so this is the reason why I have come here, and I have come here like around 1 hour ago, and now I am trying to record a video for my practicing purpose. Okay, the view is really awesome, although it's just 30 minutes past 7, still very early in the morning. And just look at my behind, what an amazing view it is. Just look at the view, it's really amazing and eye-catching place. And Sheikh Russell Nagar Park is one of the best place in Naranganj, I must say this. And like people, all kind of people, they feel good when they come at Sheikh Russell Nagar Park, and they, especially in the morning time, I prefer to come here in the morning, because if you come in the morning time, then you will see the real view of this lake. Okay, but in the afternoon time, if you come, you will see so many people, they come here and they try to spend their time, and that time you won't be able to see the real view. But if you come in the morning, then you will be able to see the real view of this lake. Okay, and if I try to show you another interesting thing, just look at my behind, there is a field available, and from where I can see so many people, they are trying to playing football. Yes, they are trying to playing football, and on the other side of the field, some people, they are trying to play cricket, and it's really nice to see. And they are playing because it's weekend and they have some free time. And usually I also try to play cricket, try to play different kind of games on my weekend. But as I mentioned, my exam is going on, so that's why it's really tough for me to go and play cricket or like other games. So that's why I have taken this decision that I will come here and I will make some English videos. So there are some boys who are also available, and they are just listening my voice, and they are maybe thinking that what I am doing here. And yeah, it's really nice to see. Usually when I try to make video outside of my home, that time I see so many people showing their curiosity about me, and I really enjoy these things. Okay, and I always try to make English video wherever I stay. It doesn't matter for me. I just try to show myself, I just try to show my activities, I just try to share my experiences with people, and that I have been doing for a long time. Okay, and I really enjoy these things, to be honest. And nowadays I have some well wishers, they always wait for my video, so I always try to make videos. But although as I live in city, so it's really difficult for me to make English videos every day, every time. But I try my best to make videos, and I try my best to enjoy my time by making English videos. Yes, you know. So this is the thing, and yeah, this is the way how I am developing myself. And I have been doing this for a long time, and I always enjoy this type of things. Okay, and it's a beautiful shiny morning in our city. As you can see, the sun is shining like a gold. Yes, so yeah, really beautiful things. And if you want, you can also do this type of things if you want to improve your spoken English. Okay, and I'm recording this video in a public place, and like so many people, they feel nervous when they try to make video in a public place. But if you want to remove your shyness, if you want to remove your hesitation, then this type of things is mandatory for you. You should make some videos in a place like this, then you will be able to overcome your shyness, you will be able to overcome your hesitation. Okay, so if you want to get some suggestion for me, how can you overcome your hesitation or like this type of stuffs, you should come this type of place, and you should make some videos in order to improve yourself, in order to improve your spoken English. So this is the thing. And just look at my behind, there is a street are also available, and from where so many auto rickshaws, so many rickshaws are roaming. And yeah, it's a good thing, and I'm really enjoying my beautiful time here. you know, it's very early in the morning, but still, I have come here and I'm recording a video. So yeah, this is the thing, and very beautiful. Just look at my behind. So that's the thing, and I have come here just for my practicing English, and of course, I have come here to take a morning walk. And if you come outside in the morning time, you will be able to see the real view of our. You will get some fresh air, and that's what we need for ourselves, for a healthy life, for a better life. Okay, so this is the thing, and I don't want to make it more longer. If you are in a same process, if you are also improving yourself, if you are also learning English, just keep trying those things that I am doing now. Okay, this is my suggestion for you. So that's all for now. I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best. Have a great day.